In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust decimal places in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show more or fewer decimal places for your numbers, and how to set a specific number of decimals with a custom format so your sheet looks clean and consistent. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cells you want to adjust. You can drag to highlight a range, click a column letter to select the entire column, or hold the appropriate modifier key to select multiple ranges. Take a moment to make sure you've highlighted the exact cells you intend to format, especially if your sheet mixes text, dates, and numbers. Next, look up to the toolbar. You'll find two handy buttons for decimals. The Increase Decimal Places button has a right-pointing arrow and adds more digits to the display. The Decrease Decimal Places button has a left-pointing arrow and reduces the number of digits shown. Hovering over each icon will show its label, which helps if you're unsure you've got the right one. If you want to show more precision, click the Increase Decimal Places button. Each click reveals an additional decimal place. This is great when you're working with measurements or financial figures that need more detail. Keep in mind, this changes how many decimals are displayed, not the underlying value stored in the cell. Your formulas and calculations still use the full precision. If your sheet looks busy or you only need rounded values, click the Decrease Decimal Places button. Each click reduces the visible decimal count and rounds the display accordingly. This is helpful for summaries, dashboards, or reports where too many decimals can distract from the main message. For complete control, use a custom number format. Go to the Format menu, choose Number, then More Formats, and finally Custom Number Format. In the box, type a pattern that matches the number of decimals you want. For example, 0.00 forces 2 decimal places, and 0.000 shows 3. You can use * for optional digits, while 0 ensures a digit is always shown. The preview will show exactly how your numbers will look before you apply the change. When you're satisfied, click Apply. Finally, review your sheet to make sure everything looks consistent and clear. Scan totals, percentages, and currency values to confirm the decimals match your intended level of detail. If something doesn't look right, simply adjust again until it fits your needs. And that's it. Your decimals are now neatly formatted in Google Sheets.